Oh, okay. Today we are gonna use run if to finish an object. So first we Google the run if function, how to use it. And this is some basic introduction of run if. First example is we can generate five uniform random numbers on 0, 1 as follow. So we can choose five random numbers between 0 and 1, just like this rule. And the second example is this. The 3 means we can find three random numbers and the range is 1.2 to 5.8. So the 5.8 is maximum and the 1.2 is the minimum. So in the next example we have this one function. The 100 is means we can assign one independent random numbers on the interval 1 to 5. So this is the vector object called V, and this is the histogram of V. So we can know how the runIf function be used. And there is an object that asks us to use the sample to generate k random numbers and use runIf to generate k random numbers and use the sample to generate k random number. Each value of number is either -1 or 1. For example, it can be -1, 1, 1, 1, 1, -1. And there is a note is k must be at least 1 million and let the sequence be x. And next one will be use runIf to generate k random numbers and each value is in the range for the following four cases is these four. And same we need to let the sequence be n. And the third is that y equal x plus n. And the last is that y value is this one. So we open our language. And first, because k is at this 1 million, so first we need to use the sample to generate k random numbers and each of the value is either -1 or 1. So we use number to show the value -1 or 1. So this one, use sample to show the and secondly, we need to use run if to generate k random numbers. Oh, yes. So we need to give it a matrix. The column will be k and the row will be 4. Okay, and we have two loops. First is to indicate the value. So for 0.4. The first one will be if I is 1. We can have the run if function. Choose k random numbers between the range is -1.01 and 1.01. Yeah. And second, if is I is 2. Just do this for 3 and 4. So we can use this for function to indicate the value, and the value is the range of the following 4 cases. Is this 4. And the second loop is shown that y will be x plus n. Okay, so the second loop. And there is also a if loop is because for each value of y, if y is bigger than 0, y will be 1, and if y is smaller or equal 0, y will be -1. So if y is this, y will be -1, and else y will be 1. And last but not least, we need to use if to check if x and y are the same or not. So give it a if loop. If y is not as same as x, the arrow must +1. And last, we need to use matrix to show the probability of error rate. So give it a matrix. Okay. So these two question is over. And last, we need to use plots and lines to indicate our pictures photo. Okay. So plot. The first one we use red to show the line. Okay, this is the first line. And the second, we use blue to indicate. This is the second line. Okay. And this time I will use black to show the line. So this is the third line. And the last one, I gonna use green line to show it. Okay, so the four lines are shown at the pictures. So we finish, and I plot the result here. This one. Okay.